Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did you learn? Derivatives, exercise, second exercise. Now, today we are going to the next problem. Problem number 11th. Find the derivatives of the following functions. Find the derivatives of the following functions. First one, second bit, y is equal to secant x. Y is equal to secant x. Derivative with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x. So, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of derivative of y. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Derivative of secant x. Direct formula. Derivative of secant x. What is the formula of the derivative of secant x? Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Third one, y is equal to 5 into secant x, 5 secant x plus 4 cos x, 5 secant x plus 4 cos x. So, derivative with respect to x. So, derivative of y dy by dx is equal to, so d by dx of 5 secant x plus 4 cos x. So, derivative of u plus v, derivative of u plus v. Derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of u. So, d by dx of u is equal to 5 secant x plus derivative of v is equal to 4 cos x. Next, this is the lamb k into u. Derivative of k, this is 5 is k, this is u, k into u. Derivative of k into u is equal to k into du dash. So, 5 into constant k is a constant, 5 is a constant. So, don't derivative constant term, constant, because of that constant into that another function, trigonometric function, so any function. So, constant into any function means that constant is separated from the derivative. So, we have to derivative only the other function, any function, trigonometric function, anything. So, 5 into d by dx, because derivative of constant is equal to 0. That is why the 5 constant is separate from the derivative. Derivative of secant x plus 4 into derivative of d by dx of cos x. So, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to 5 into derivative of secant x, direct formula. Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x plus 4 into derivative of cos x, direct formula, fundamental formula. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So, that is equal to 5 secant x into tan x minus 4 sin x. So, this is the derivative of y. Next fourth one, cosecant x, y is equal to cosecant x derivative with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx, that is equal to derivative of cosecant x. Derivative of cosecant x, derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of cosecant, direct formula. So next fifth one, 3 cot x plus 5 cosecant x, y is equal to 3 cot x plus 5 cosecant x. These all are direct formulas, no doubt at all. Derivative with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx is equal to d by dx of derivative of the total function. So 3 cot x plus 5 cosecant x. So cannot do the function or cannot do the derivative of total function. Okay, can't do. So because separate. So this is u plus v. Derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v. Derivative of v is equal to 5 cosecant x. So this is also k into u. Derivative of k into u is equal to k into derivative of u. So 3 into d by dx of cot x plus 5 into d by dx of cosecant x. So 3 into derivative d by dx of means derivative of cot x is equal to derivative of cos x is equal to minus cosecant square x plus 5 into derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. So minus 3 cosecant square x minus 5 cosecant x into cot x. This answer. ORR minus cosecant x common. Minus cosecant x common means 3 cosecant x plus 5 cot x. Any one of the answer. This is the answer, dy by dx. So this is the answer. This is also answer. Next, sixth one, 5 sin x, y is equal to 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. 5 sin x plus 6 cos x minus 6 cos x plus 7. So derivative, simply derivative with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. Derivative of u minus v plus v. Okay. So separated the functions. So d by dx of 5 sin x minus d by dx of 6 cos x plus d by dx of 7. So constant 5 into d by dx of sin x plus minus 6 into d by dx of cos x plus d by dx of 7. D by dx of 7. So dy by dx is equal to so 5 into derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x minus 6 into derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x plus derivative of 7. Derivative of 7 is only constant term. Derivative of constant 0. So that is equal to finally dy by dx is equal to 5 cos x minus into minus plus 6 sin x. 5 cos x plus 6 sin x. Seventh one, 2 tan x minus y is equal to 2 tan x minus 7 secant x. 2 tan x minus 7 secant x. So derivative with respect to x, y derivative dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 tan x minus 7 secant x, that is equal to d by dx of u minus v. Derivative of u minus v is equal to derivative of u minus derivative of v. 2 tan x minus derivative of d by dx of 7 secant x. So that is equal to k into u. 2 into d by dx of tan x minus 7 into d by dx of secant x. 2 into d by dx of tan x, direct formula secant square x, minus 7 into derivative of secant x. Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. This is the dy by dx. Next, first one, y is equal to sin x into cos x. Y is equal to sin x into cos x into sin x into cos x, two functions, f of x into g of x, or u into v formula. What is the derivative of u into v formula? So derivative with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x. So this is u into v formula. What is u into v formula? d by dx of u into v is equal to derivative of u into v. So u and v are any functions, trigonometry, algebraic, logarithms, exponential, any function, but two different functions. This is sine function, this is cos function. So what is the u into v formula? U into dv by dx. What is the u into v? Derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v. Derivative of u minus v is equal to derivative of u minus derivative of v. Derivative of u into v is not equal to derivative of u into derivative of v, not equal to, directly multiply. So this separate formula is there. What is the formula? u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. First time v derivative, next u derivative, alternately plus sum. So this is the u into v formula. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to first u into, what is u? Sin x. Sin x is u. So sin x into derivative of v, d by dx of v is equal to cos x, plus v into u into v into, what is v? V is equal to cos x into derivative of d by dx of u is sin x. So that is equal to sin x into derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, plus cos x into derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. So that is equal to cos x into cos x, cos square x, minus sin x into sin x, sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. Trigonometric formula. Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. Next, example 1. Example 18. Example 18 also, compute the derivative of f of x compute the derivative of f of x is equal to sine square x. Sine square x. Go to me sine square. Sine square x. Solution given f of x is equal to sine square x. Sine square x is equal to sine x into sine x. U into v formula. Derivative of sin x direct formula is there, but sin square x there is no formula. So sin square x can be reduced into sin x into sin x. Okay. So derivative with respect to x. Derivative of f of x is d by dx of f of x over f dash of x. F of x derivative d by dx of f of x over simply f dash of x. So d by dx of sin x into sin x u into v. What is the formula of derivative of u into v? U into sin x into derivative of d by dx of sin x plus v into derivative of u d by dx of sin x. So that is equal to sin x into derivative of sin x is equal to cos x plus sin x into derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. So sin x plus sin x cos x plus sin x cos x both are same. A plus a is equal to 2a. So 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2x. F dash of x is equal to sin 2x. 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin x. This is the trigonometric formula. Okay. This is all are simple direct formulas. First formula, first of all, point number 1, derivative of u plus v. Derivative of u plus v is equal to derivative of u plus derivative of v, separate by the plus. Derivative of u minus v. Derivative of u minus v is equal to derivative of u minus derivative of v. Derivative of u plus v plus w, or plus or minus 2 or more. Not only derivative of only u plus v, not only u plus v. u1 u1 plus u2. This is the formula. Derivative of not only two functions, u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus and so on plus un is equal to derivative of u1 plus derivative of u2 plus and so on plus derivative of un. Not only two functions, only u plus v, not two functions. So yes, and so on, infinite functions. In between function in between in between plus or minus. So next one, derivative of u plus v, derivative of u minus v, and derivative of k into u. Derivative of k into u is equal to k. K is a constant, that's why separate from the derivative, k into derivative of u. Next, derivative of u into v. Derivative of u into v is equal to u into dv by dx. U only u function into derivative of v function plus v into derivative of u function. So yesterday maybe u by v formula also introduced, also discussed u by v formula. So this is the problem number 11 and example 18. Okay. So this is the today class. Tomorrow next problem. I will go to the next problem. So thank you.